Simple air fryer roast chicken recipe. This is great if it's a hot day and you don't want the oven on. So my air fryer holds a 1.2 kilogram chicken maximum, but I'm using a 1 kilogram one today. First of all, I like to butter the chicken thoroughly and then add some salt and some pepper. Then I take the bottom out of my air fryer and place the chicken upside breast down first. I'd also like to pop a little bit more butter on this just so that it is nice and succulent. It's 180 degrees on roast and it's for 50 minutes for a 1 kilogram chicken. If it's a bigger one, 1.2, then you'd need to do it for 1 hour. After 50 minutes, you remove your chicken and turn it upside down for a further 10 minutes at 180. Just give that chicken a little bit more of a basting. To make sure it's cooked, it will need to be between 74 to 80 degrees centigrade. There you have it, delicious succulent chicken. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you know where to find the recipe.